vacation. It's exactly how I always dreamed it would be.
It's the vacation you deserve. It's the vacation I always wanted to give you. I'm gonna go check on our pictures. Why don't you grab Lindsay and meet me upstairs for dinner?
Hi, is this table 234?
Yes, it is.
By any chance has my husband Grant been by here? I'm looking for him. I'm Ashley Johnson, and this is my daughter Lindsay.
No, we haven't seen him.
If by any chance he stops by here, will you please let him know that I'm looking for him?
Sure.
Okay, thanks.
Hi, do you have a PA system aboard by chance? I can't seem to find my husband.
What's his name and your room number?
U70, and his name is Grant Johnson.
I'm sorry, ma'am, we don't have anyone on our ship's manifest by that name. Is there another name he possibly goes by?
What do you mean you don't have him on your ship's manifest? He boarded this ship with me. I have his passport and luggage in our room.
I'm sure this is just a big misunderstanding. Let's go to your room and figure this out.
I know that his passport was just right here. I know it's gotta be here someplace.
Ma'am, your belongings are the only ones in this closet.
That's impossible. My husband and my daughter boarded the ship with me!
And you're the only Johnson in your party. I'm sorry, I can't help you any further, but let me know if I can do anything to help. Good luck.
Lindsay, would you like to go have fun in the kids club today while I find Daddy? Okay, let's go. Hi, I'm here to pick up Lindsay Johnson.
I'm sorry, ma'am, we don't have anybody by that name.
What do you mean you don't have anybody by that name? I dropped her off this morning.
We don't have a child in the club by that name.
Can I just go look for her?
No, I'm sorry, ma'am. If you don't have a child checked in, you can't go in the club.
I'm her mother! I'm gonna go look for her!
I'm gonna have to call security if you continue trying to get in.
Oh my God! Baby, where have you been?
Daddy wanted me to go with him, but I want to stay with you.
What do you mean, Daddy? It doesn't matter. I'm getting you off the ship right now. Are you okay, sweetheart? Okay. I need you to be very quiet and very still, and I'll get you off safely.
Mrs. Johnson, we've been looking for you for days.
Shh, we don't have time for this. We've got to hurry. Somebody took my husband. We've got to leave now.
No, let me help you with that.
No, my daughter's in there. Be careful.
Mrs. Johnson, don't you remember your family died 2 years ago in the car accident?
I'm telling you, my daughter's in there.
Let me show you.
Now let's get you back to the facility where you'll be safe.